The rise of the SPAC, or Special Purpose Acquisition Corp, came swiftly. Sponsored by investment fund managers, celebrities, billionaires, PE firms, venture capitalists, former executives, and virtually anyone else with an acceptable resume and a pulse, and cheered on by the retail investor, one of the year's biggest market phenomenons presented an opportunity for many pre-revenue companies to fund very risky business plans. SPACs raised $83 billion in 2020, but 2021, particularly the early part of the year, has seen an astounding $123 billion in proceeds from 421 SPAC IPOs. Still, while seemingly everyone had a SPAC in a dream, for many investors, the performance of SPACs after they announce and even complete their deal has been more of a nightmare. As many as 3/4 of SPACs with announced deals are now trading at or below their listing price of $10. The great SPAC out began in early spring when the SEC questioned whether there were adequate disclosures and accounting practices in the sector. That stance brought an immediate pause. SPAC IPOs fell from 109 in March to just 13 in April. While the torrent of listings has declined, there are still 443 companies and counting seeking a business combination. But how many of them will make it to a completed deal remains uncertain. Investors are increasingly questioning the incentives of SPAC sponsors who, given the favorable economics granted them, can often make enormous profits even when the stock falls well below $10. And that rising skepticism is reflected in falling prices and higher rates of redemptions. A key feature of SPACs that allows investors to elect to get their $10 back. That leaves far less cash available for the companies being acquired. As well, the implosion of the market for private investors willing to put money into SPACs at the time of the deal announcement, that's known as PIPEs, well, that's been under some pressure as well and brought further difficulty. It's clear that SPACs are not going to disappear, but they may begin a steady retreat to the backwater of the capital markets they once occupied.